Zhejiang Ganxiu Silicone Technology Company, Limited is a leading manufacturer of high-quality invisible bras and silicone bras in China. Our company is headquartered in Yiwu, Zhejiang Province, the World Trade Center. We have an independent warehouse and a dust-free workshop, with over 100 production employees, and a production area of over 8,000 square meters. With 8 high-end production lines, we have a monthly output of approximately 500,000 pairs, and an annual output of approximately 10 million pairs. Our products are sold across Europe, including Germany, France, the UK, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Norway, Austria, Finland, Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, Ireland, Luxembourg, and Portugal. We also export to North American countries, including the United States and Canada, as well as to countries in Southeast Asia, such as South Korea and Japan, and Oceania countries, such as Australia and New Zealand. This is our new factory building, dedicated to the production of silicone products. Just like the old workshop, we have equipped a complete production line for silicone bras and nipple covers. Here, we have 3 silicone raw material mixers, 18 silicone filling machines, 48 heating molding machines, 10 heat sealing machines, 10 buckle machines, and 3 production lines for gluing, drying, and packaging silicone products. In the new factory building, our production focuses on push-up silicone bras and nipple covers, although other silicone product series are also partially produced here. Please enjoy our silicone products. Creating high-quality products has always been our pursuit and commitment. This is the production workshop for fabric-covered sponge invisible bras. The workshop is equipped with 12 cup shaping machines, 6 cup punching machines for cutting out the sponge front, 4 riveting machines for punching holes in the cup surface for the rope to pass through, 7 sewing machines for sewing products with fasteners, 12 gluing machines, and 3 drying machines arranged in a production line. At the end of the production line, there are film sticking and initial packaging processes. In the quality inspection stage, personnel responsible for quality testing will attach qualified labels to the qualified products, and finally, the products will be packaged.